Hello. So you join me here on my way to Nihon Jinren. So these are a few experiments for me to do this trip. Firstly, I'm going to bring this Ibanez headless guitar. I'm not sure if I can hand carry it or check it in, but hopefully I can hand carry it in. Well, and then it's my luggages, so it's going to be my stuff for the next 2 months. I think 1.5 months maybe. Yeah, so I'll probably update if I can hand carry my guitar. So yeah, a little update. I kind of need to check in my guitar because it's too long. This pair don't allow you to put it on carry-on space, so I have to check in. Now I don't have guitar, so I will probably see you all in Tokyo another 8 hours or so, and just in time for breakfast. Yeah. Okay. See you there.
Thank you. 業務連絡で脱出上にはドアモードをオートマティックに変更し、走行確認してください。
So little update, everything came in order. Guitar is in one piece, thankfully. So yeah, now I just need to waste time and then we go to the accommodation at 4 p.m. Right now it's like 9 in the morning. So yeah, time wasting. Whoa, shit. Hello.
Oh, it dropped.
Yeah.
Later.
Where's the key to the other room?
Nah.
Okay. Hold on. Currently, I'm very professional setup. As you see, I have a microphone with me too.
I'm gonna vlog with my phone.
Yes, some have different preferences. So this is our Airbnb. Say hello. So here is our bedroom with 2 beds, 2 single beds.
You need to off the toilet light later.
Oh, the other room? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's part of the immersion. Supposed to be like a first time enter.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Oh,
well.
no, this is our first time. I've never seen this.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah. I've
Look
never
at
seen
this.
ever.
This is the single. Oh wow, the light looks not bad actually.
Really?
Yeah, it looks cool.
Oh, wow.
Gives like
This
this.
one got more vibes.
Yeah, like a studio apartment. I mean, technically the
Oh,
whole
it's
studio
very
apartment.
nice.
Yeah,
Tall for you.
I know, right?
Except
here, I just bought.
good morning, bum.
good bomb. It's very nice. Even the guests even left.
Tired, bum.
Guests left behind this. I have no idea what this
No, I
is.
think he purposely put because in the Airbnb picture also have. Oh my god, there's a pizza shop.
Nani? Pizza. It's pizza lah.
Not nice, ah?
No, it's just very Singaporean, but not at the same time.
Well,
Pizza lah.
this balcony is more trash than that balcony. I
Yeah,
need to wear the slippers here.
I guess so.
It's super disgusting.
Oh, is that why the slippers are there?
I think so, maybe.
Anyways, bathroom tour. Oh hell, it looks kind of crap though. It looks like one of those like it gives like airplane toilet vibes.
Oh yeah, that's like, gentlemen, please also sit on the toilet seat while using the toilet. Yeah, thanks.
After using the shower, open the window fan. Use the fan for ventilation. Oh, the fan in the room is for here.
What fan?
That fan.
No, there's
Out
a
there.
ventilation fan in here.
Oh really? Oh, this toilet is better then. Where's the fan? No.
Oh, don't have. Ah. Oh, then just open the window, but.
I'm assuming it's that fan on top of the.
True.
And we're doing
This
this.
is the fan for. Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
little moldy, yeah. Oh, nice. Hey, toothbrush holder.
Whoa.
Okay, good. Okay, live. Where's the hairdryer?
Don't have. Share.
Okay.
Check below.
Can open. What the fuck design is this?
This is your typical Japanese toilet.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
All the cleaning stuff. Hair dryer.
Lekker, beautiful. Extra damage. Oh, it's a shampoo. Pantene shampoo.
Let's go. Yeah, my hair won't drop. I mean, they have it here, I guess.
Yeah, no, like this the refills.
Detergent?
I don't know.
That looks like for
This
cleaning
is
the
cleaning. Dove. This is what, body?
body soap.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the laundry one.
That's for that's for cleaning.
Wait.
It's like Febreze.
What? Then. Oh, this for drain cover for hair.
For hair. Oh yeah, definitely to put it.
Yeah.
Wait, I go see if there's detergent. This is a very well thought out room tour.
Vape.
Oh, it's here. Oh, it's just right in our faces. It's right here.
Oh, nice. Oh, the other side got no kettle, no?
Really?
Yeah.
Lol.
And the dustbin here also better. It's all stackable.
We got 3 different.
Oh my god, we have a freezer. That one got no freezer.
Nice. I don't know this softener. This is laundry detergent. What's this? Is it another
Smells
detergent?
good.
I don't know.
Should we like flip the table to be like the other room?
Can.
Huh? You think?
Later, when there's more people, then we think about it.
Let's open this. I already got bitten by the way by mosquito.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't, so.
Oh, this one nice. This one. Yeah, we should flip it and then make the table this size so they can open this door.
Okay, can.
But then how to cook?
How to cook random screaming in the background. Can cook. Just stand here. Lor. I'm pretty sure this is a fire hazard, anyways. The curtains here.
They're all a hazard. They're everything's a hazard.
Anyways, this is like.
This whole house is a hazard, but it's fine.
We're here for 30 days, it's fine. Nice. This is a very large sculpture.
It is, to be fair. All of us, the 3 of us can sit here and watch like this together. And then can open the sofa bed and then all lie down and then watch. You know? So vibes. This poor person's bedroom gonna be a shared bedroom.
This is my bedroom. Essentially, right?
It's gonna be a shared room with me, Tara, and you.
天哪 It's your bedroom and the shared living space. I don't have a personal
No
room.
door.
Oh no. No privacy. Oh my gosh.
Then when we're sitting here, when I'm sitting here playing game at 1 a.m, I can see you sleeping.
That's a horrible thing to see. Anyways.
You'll be like, Megan, can you keep quiet a bit?
Shut the fuck up. Who's like?
Please, I'm trying to sleep.
Anyways. Yeah. That's the room tour, I guess.
A beautiful house tour.
Yeah, I know, right? Feels very
Is
cozy.
the window open? I'm gonna open it.
Yeah,
Oh,
anyways.
shit, a bit moldy, the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, this window is so much better to open than the other one.
I know, right? Sideways.
Yeah, like the other one, I need to put down all the soap on the floor. Like that.
Like that, yeah. Okay, yeah.
You need to like off the light on that one.
Yep, we also need to
There's
lock
a
that place.
cockroach. Huh?
Cockroach what? Oh, bug spray.
Eh, but what the fuck? Why would they do carpet floor? Like, this is the stupidest floor design I've
Cause
ever
it's
seen in my
quieter,
life.
ma.
Stupid. It's dirty.
Well, they have a vacuum cleaner, so
Yeah, they said to vacuum before we leave, right?
I say vacuum at least every 5 days.
Of course, but like, I mean,
Scissors, papers, don't see who vacuum. Knowing my luck, it will probably be me.
plastic bottles.
Yeah, you have to separate. You have to
insert
separate.
liquid and remove cap.
Yep,
Okay, this one
combustible.
combustible means this one can go here.
Yeah. There
Then
you go.
this one is what? Well, anything.
Combustible.
Trash should be disposed outside near the tele.
Oh, you have to clear ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah. So where's the rest of the new garbage bags?
I'm assuming inside the shoe
Never
cabinet.
put the following trash into a trash bag. Keep them together in the kitchen. Lighter, battery, spray can, glass, aluminium foil, home appliance, metal.
Basically anything that can catch fire.
But combustibles can catch fire like big.
No, it's like doesn't cause bigger explosions.
I see. Clean the two filters after using dry. Meaning? Wow.
Oh, trash bags here. Oops. The umbrella fell, but yeah, trash bags out here. Where the slippers are. Down here.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, after trashing the room.
Okay, well, I'm gonna unpack and obviously put my clothes in here first because
Yes.
like this is a horrendous situation.
I'm just gonna put my luggage on the giant sofa bed for now.
No, don't put it on the bed. Like,
Fine,
put
on
it
the floor. I'm not supposed to put on the floor by right now, but like,
Yeah.
just put it.
Yes, lah. Wait, then I'm taking a big space for us to put like.
Cannot, it's for the, yeah. Oh wells. I shall just end the
Oh,
video.
you can empty out your luggage and put up there. Like, so it's lighter to carry up.
I don't plan to empty out my luggage completely. Leh.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
I'll just take out my daily clothes and hang it, but the rest I leave it in the luggage.
Oh, wow.
Clips! Yay!
This is nice. Laundry bag, we should put it in the...
Laundry room. Toilet. Okay, I'm just gonna end recording here. I think we just, at this point, just sorting out.
We're just leaving.
Yeah, we're just leaving at this point.
I'm gonna take some hanger from your room, okay? Because here got like so little.
Can.
How many is there here? Oh, there's quite a lot. The other side got so little. 1, 2, 3,
Just I only got 2, right?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, should be fine now. Me and Tara should be fine.
Okay. Cool. I'll end the video here.